Okay, we're going to make a quick map out of a Google Sheet. So here is a Google Sheet that we have had called Important Sites of Augusta. It lists the historic sites. There are 69 responses in here. You can see it's just a very simple sheet. Asks a little bit about the location, if there's background information, and a picture downloaded from the internet. And it asks for street numbers and zip codes. So that is all the information that it needs to be able to map it out. You can see we have 69 responses, so that's great. We should be able to map out quite a bit. And it'll actually give us some good information. So over 50% of the sites that we have on this map are still in location and revitalized versus 5% that are still around, and 7% that are still in ruins. So let's go ahead and take this information and we will convert it over into a Google map. So all we need to do is open Google Maps. If we click on saved, we can do maps, open my maps, that is, and then you're going to create a new map. All right, you're going to import from Google Drive. There's our February 5th. I just went to recent since we just had it open. February 5th, important sites. Insert. And now if you look here, it's going to ask for your position of your place marks, right? So this is where you have your addresses. You're going to click zip code and street number. Continue. This is where if you had lat, long. Now this is for the title of the place marks or the name. So name of location. Finish. And you can see right here, this is this means that the GPS location is off and this needs to be fixed in our spreadsheet, right? So if it's in North Dakota, that is definitely not Augusta. But you can see I can zoom in here. And now I can see this map. And if I click on these different locations here, we've got timestamp, links to the background, take us into Black Gulf and Augusta resides at the patch, a cool old article. Some of these have pictures located in them. There we go. There we go. Sibley Mill. So that is a very simple way to update your map. And as long as you have the two connected, so this is every time a new site gets put into this important sites and I pull up the map, this map will be updated. I can also change the style again. So if I want to change the style depending on if the site is still standing, there we go. So now all of a sudden it has changed. So I can see the red is the ones that are still around. These guys are the ones that are in ruins. So there you go. That is a quick way to take your Google form and turn it into a Google map. Last thing I'll show you is if you want to take that into Google Earth, you click right there and boom. Now your information is located in Google Earth. Is trying to take us back to that other spot that we had earlier. All right, there you go.